Birds are chirping. Finally a decent day in Wisconsin. It is sunny. It is about 55 degrees and it is a little windy, but the wind isn't cold, which is the most important part. It rained a couple of days ago, which means the salts on the road have been brought up and washed away. We're gonna take the GB out on the first ride. Out of all the motorcycles, I decided to pick this one. Not really too sure why, but it was kind of the easiest to access at this point in time. So we are gonna go on a little first ride with this thing, and it should be a whole lot of fun. I think we'll do a little nice gas station ride, get some fuel into the bike, some fresh fuel. There is a little bit of gas sitting from previous year, but not a ton. But before we do any of that, we need to turn the gas on, get the bike started, and I'm gonna let this thing warm up really nicely before I ride it at all. Last time it started in the first kick. This time did one prime, and I think it should fire right up. I spoke too soon. There we go. She's been nothing short of temperamental. It took probably another 15 minutes between the last clip to get this thing started. I'm pretty sure she was running on fumes. I filled it up a little bit and it turned to reserve, and everything seems to be running fine now. I was going at it for like a solid 5 to 10 minutes just to get this thing running, because it started and then died out. So we'll take it around the block and hopefully it doesn't die on me. And then if it doesn't die on me, I'll put a little bit more gas into it and then head to the gas station to get more gas. Kind of sounds ironic, but I think you guys understand. I don't want it to die on me on the way to the gas station. I forgot how to ride a motorcycle, I'm not gonna lie. I accidentally burnt my hand and I can definitely feel that burn. With that being said, I did feel the reserve running out, so what I'm going to do is fill it up with gas a little bit and then we'll head to the gas station. Okay, so now that I'm comfortable with how much gas is in it, let's see if she'll kick back on immediately, because if she does, then I'm not worried at all. There we go. Let's go to the station.